Carlos here. Today's video is going to be all about Torrevieja seafront. I did a lot of filming last September and quite a bit of filming last week. I put all the bits and pieces together. You're going to see the same areas filmed twice. Once last year when the lockdown had finished and people were on holiday, and some of them you'll see again this year when we had the lockdown regarding hospitality areas. I hope you enjoyed bits of this film. If you do, you can always give me that thumbs up. It always helps with the algorithm. So anybody searching for my videos, the chances are I'll be that little higher up the scale when it comes to the YouTube video slot. And the next thing you could do, you can always subscribe and hit this notification bell and you'll get all of my up and coming videos. So here's the film you're going to see, and I'm quite pleased because it's got my fantastic new look CinemaScope opening, which is so easy to do. If any of you want to know how to do it, drop me a line and maybe I'll do a little video. Let's see the film.
One time where I'm like doing drinks. That's the bag I got back.